Every 14 seconds, somewhere in the world, a woman is diagnosed with breast cancer. In this regard, by the end of this video, 5 women will be diagnosed with this disease. Here is what you need to know about breast cancer. 12% of women is expected to develop breast cancer in their lifetime. Here's how breast cancer is diagnosed. Let's start with biopsy. This test requires the removal of tissue or fluid from the breast to be looked at under a microscope. Breast magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, is a kind of body scan that makes detailed pictures of areas inside the breast. If you have a problem in your breast, such as lumps, doctors may have you get a diagnostic mammogram. Breast ultrasound is a machine that uses sound waves to make pictures, called sonograms, of areas inside the breast. The treatments include surgery, an operation where doctors cut out cancer tissue, or chemotherapy, which consists of using special medicines to shrink or kill the cancer cells. Another treatment is hormonal therapy, which blocks cancer cells from getting the hormones they need to grow. Finally, biological therapy works with your body's immune system to help it fight cancer cells.